Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. So sorry for the lateness of this video. Still trying to recuperate from the holidays, but I just wanted to show you what I got in my SIPS by T-Box subscription box. If you're not familiar with SIPS by, or if you've not been on my channel before, SIPS by is kind enough to send me their monthly tea subscription box. It is $15 per month for the subscription, and I believe the shipping in the United States is free. The way it works is you take a very in-depth quiz letting SIPS by know all your tea likes, what flavors you like, how you like your tea, caffeinated, maybe not so caffeinated, and then what they do is they put it in this computerized algorithm, and then that tells them which teas you would probably enjoy, and they check over the box before it is sent out to you to make sure that all the teas in the box are teas that you personally will like. And SIPS by does work with over 150 global tea brands. I've gotten to enjoy so many different types of teas from so many different companies. Let's get into the unboxing. In every box you will find an informational card. If you flip that over, it tells you all the teas that are in your box and gives you some information on them. It looks like I have some chai tea. That is by Walters Bay. That is my high caffeine tea because I asked for a mixture of high caffeine, kind of medium caffeine, and caffeine-free teas in my box. It also looks like I have some cinnamon twist tea. That is by Chillology. I've never heard of that before. That is my caffeine-free tea. That is a sweet and spicy herbal tea. I have some organic lemon moringa tea. I love anything lemon, and that is from Miracle Tree Tea. That is my caffeine-free tea. And then finally, I have some Glimmering Dusk tea. That sounds like a great name, and that is from Magic Moon Tea Company. That does contain some caffeine, and that is a black tea. So I think I'm going to open the box, let you see what is inside. Let me count everything out. I have some of SIPS by's reusable muslin cloth tea bags. These are really great. Even though I do have tea bags to steep my tea in, a lot of times I do use theirs. And if you're giving this box as a gift to someone, it's really nice that they include these in the box. And when you see these in your box, it means you have some loose tea in the box. It looks like the first thing I see in here is the organic lemon moringa tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Next, I have a packet of cinnamon twist tea from Chillology. That also looks like a loose tea. I have a bag of Glimmering Dusk tea from Magic Moon. That looks like it is a pouch of loose tea. And I have the chai tea from Walters Bay. 2, 3, 4 packets of that. So I think, oh guys, it's so hard to resist. I really would like to try the Glimmering Dusk Magic Moon tea. I'm super drawn to the lemon moringa tea, but I think to do something different, I think the last time I did this, I did a lemon tea. So let's do the Glimmering Dusk Magic Moon tea. Let's get started. I hope you enjoyed seeing this unboxing of my January SIPS by Tea box. I'll leave a link for the company's website down in my description box. I love SIPS by because besides the subscription box that is monthly, they do offer so many different tea gift boxes. So if you want to give a box of tea to someone as a gift, these make great gifts. I'll leave all that information down below under this video. Take care, guys. Thanks for having some tea with me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.